Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi. I get every week makeup related videos. Today's video is yet another addition to what works for brown girls. If you've not watched the other videos in this series, like best lipsticks from MAC for brown girls, best highlighters, best bronzers, best blushes, and you're missing something, I've left the link in the description box. You can go ahead and watch them. Cutting the introduction short, I've picked up top 5 or epic 5 pink lipsticks from Maybelline, which are actually workable, doable and visible on anybody who is between NC 30 to NC 45. Girls who can be classified as brown girls, olive girl, tan, medium brown, golden or Indian skin tone. So if you're interested to see which all lipstick qualify as top pink lipsticks for brown girls, then keep on watching. Further ado, let's get started. The sequence in which I'll be swatching these lipsticks are from lightest to dark, so let's get on to it. The first lipstick in this category is a sheer formula. This is a bullet lipstick, cream formula lipstick. This is a lipstick which I generally love to wear on an everyday basis. This is a beautiful lipstick from Maybelline. This is a sheer formula. This has a lot of luminosity to it. This won't stay on your lips for long term, but if you're looking for something which you can wear on a daily basis, this is super hydrating. This is enriched with vitamin E. This is a definitely two-room lipstick for me. But if you have little more pigmented lips than me, or maybe if you're darker than NC 45, then this would not really show up on you. This would look much like a lip gloss. Otherwise, if you're between NC 30 to NC 42, I would say you can give it a try. The second lipstick which I've picked up will definitely work for anybody between NC 30 to NC 47. This is super pigmented cream formula, and now is the time to swatch it. If you know, Maybelline has launched 50 shades which they claim suit everyone of every skin tone, every undertone, then this is one of them. This is 379 fuchsia for me. This is a beautiful fuchsia color which I would also say would suit anybody apart from a brown girl. This would suit everybody. Maybe you're pale, maybe you're brown, maybe you're darker than brown. This will be definitely a beautiful fuchsia for you. If you're looking for something which is a fuchsia, then this is your deal. Now let's move on to the third one. Third one is for all the sweethearts who think wearing a matte formula would leave their lips cracky, chappy, dry. Who think matte lipstick only comes in liquid form. Who think matte lipstick is not an easy wear. Then this is a solution for you. Maybelline has formulated a beautiful lipstick in a bullet format that is a creamy kind of a texture but not satin, a definite matte. This is a beautiful pink. Now is the time to swatch. Isn't it a gorgeous magenta? This is 680 mesmerizing magenta. It definitely justifies its name. It's a beautiful, it's a mesmerizing magenta. It's a matte formula. It is such an easy formula. It is easy wear. It's a soft wear, though it's a matte one. It keeps your lips hydrated. It is a super pigmented color. If you're darker than NC 45, you are NC 47 or maybe darker, then too this color will look beautiful on you. It will give you a payoff. It is one of my favorite lipsticks from Maybelline. This is a very gentle matte formula. It is, as Maybelline say, enriched with vitamin E, which definitely I can feel. And let's move on to the next one. The next one is the fourth one and is for all the sweethearts who love to wear hot pink, neon pink, bright pink, and they want their lips to look flattering and they don't want their lips to be noticed from the moon. So this is your solution. Maybelline has one of the beautiful hot pinks for the brown girls. This is from Maybelline's Color Blur collection. This is 10 Fast and Fuchsia. This is a beautiful hot pink. This is a long wear hot pink. So let me swatch it. This is definitely a wearable hot pink. Let me get the focus up and close onto my lips to show you when you get a neon pink, hot pink or a bright pink, the color are blotchy. This one has a beautiful formula, easy to wear and still not blotchy. This is a long wear lipstick. This doesn't leave your lips dry, cracky, flaky. Still it stays on your lips for good 10 hours, even if you sip water, if you eat something. And this is my favorite hot one. And here we come to the last lipstick, but not the least. This is the most sellable lipstick of Maybelline. This is a long wear lipstick. This could last on your lips for good 24 hours as claimed by Maybelline. I've tried a wear test on the back side of my hand. I did dishes, I did the whole work the whole day. Still it stayed on my hand very evenly, very pigmentedly without getting cracked. So you can imagine how good this lipstick is in terms of stay on power. So this is Maybelline Super Stay Ink Matte Lipstick. If you are looking for a nude pink and you're a brown girl and you think no nude pink lipstick which is of a matte formula shows up on your lips, then this is your answer. So time is to swatch. This is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick number 15 Lover, beautiful nudish pink, which is actually pigmented and pays off well. It is visible on our lips, and I will show you the struggle to remove this lipstick. If you can see the struggle to remove this lipstick, you can understand how long wearing this is. This definitely doesn't go off just using a makeup wipe. So you need a Miss Clear water or a cleansing milk or a cleansing solution to wipe off this lipstick completely from your lips. So this is one of the best recommendations from Maybelline from me. You should try it. And this comes to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It actually keeps me motivated, and until we meet next, as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care. Bye bye.